Cracking YouTube, back at it again. Continue video from earlier. Okay, rims clean. I got a little bit more armor off, but rims are clean now. You can see the red. Boom. So I'll hook this inside up. See that oil is shiny. Let me zoom out. Oop, can't zoom out no more. See that oil is shiny. So yeah, that's how I was looking earlier. Check that back seat out where everybody else be at. Oh, clean. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all the product I used to clean. Y'all let me know it's the wrong product, but I kind of like it. What is that? Is over here. Close it up before it dry out. So yep, use this 303 protecting wipes. Non-greasy, prevents fading and cracking. UV protection. Keeps vinyl rubber and plastic looking like newer. So I don't know if it's for leather, but I like it. And then what I do is rub that down. I do have those like that, the leather wipes at home, but I just bought this one. You see how it look. Back seat, all glossy right here. So yeah, everything back clean again. So you don't gotta pay nobody $120, man, to do what you gotta do for yourself, man. Unless you got it like that. But one thing I couldn't, I'm gonna need some soap or something to get this out. I don't know who the hell did this. I'm gonna find out though. I'm gonna smack them. Well, yeah. But it's hard plastic, so of course it's gonna happen. So yeah. Wipes cost $6.99. They charge like $100, $120 for a detail. If you got the time, just do it yourself, man. But I got 2 minutes and 30 on this video. I didn't wipe the dash today. I just wiped it off. Matter of fact, let me get the dash because I forgot to do it. You can see that. Let me get some more time on the video. I ain't gonna put that on the dash today. Dash looking good. You see the stitching. All that's missing is those red dots, but I got the red dot side. So look, we'll catch y'all on the rebound, man. It's hot. Subscribe, hit that notification, hit that like. I'm gonna try to make another video, but I ain't going out as much as lately, so I'm trying to bring y'all something. Oh yeah, don't forget about the suede sunroof. I don't see why they make this suede too, I don't know, but yeah, this is suede. I don't know. Hey, you got a sunroof? Does that mean the sun is shining on me? You see that? What a coinky dink. I'm out here, YouTube. Peace.